Hey, dog lovers, did you know that May 20th is the National Rescue Dog Day? It's a day dedicated to celebrating incredible impact rescue dogs have on our lives and to raise awareness about the millions of dogs in shelters waiting for their forever home. Facts about this day? Well, it started by a lady named Lisa Weinbrink. And it was inspired by her own rescue dog, Cooper. And her mission basically is to highlight the unconventional love and companionship that rescue dogs bring to our lives. Every year, over 3 million dogs enter rescue shelters across the U.S. Many of these dogs are victims to overpopulation or abandonment, but with love and care, they can become loyal, loving companions. Did you know that many rescue dogs go on to become service animals, therapy dogs, or even heroes in the search and rescue missions? They're proof that a second chance can lead to an extraordinary outcries. Caring for a rescue dog teaches empathy, patience, and responsibility. Not just for adults, but for kids too. It's a beautiful way to nurture companionship in our next generation. Rescue dogs remind us that love knows no boundaries. And every wagging tail deserves a happy ending. If you're rescued a dog, drop me a comment and tell me what your furry dog's name is. And don't forget to like my post, follow me for more heartwarming stories, and subscribe. Let's make this world a better place, one rescue dog at a time. Bye.